Imagine this. Guests are staying over, the sofa is already claimed, and you pull out a folding bed that is so comfortable they actually ask where you bought it the next morning. That is exactly the kind of guest experience this list is built around. In this video, the countdown goes from number 7 all the way to the top pick at number 1, breaking down real-world comfort, frame stability, ease of folding, and how well each bed actually works in a normal home. Seven, SunsGrove foldtwin. This is a twin-size folding bed that tries to balance portability with a thicker, more supportive mattress than the ultra-cheap cots many people are used to. On paper, it offers a roughly 75 by 38-inch sleeping surface with a 5-inch memory foam mattress sitting on a metal frame, so the proportions feel very much like a compact twin bed rather than a narrow camp cot. When setting it up, the folding mechanism is straightforward, and it clicks into place with enough confidence that it does not feel like it will collapse if someone turns over in their sleep. For quick guest setups after a long day, that simplicity matters a lot. During use, the mattress is where this bed does surprisingly well for its price. The memory foam layer has a medium firm feel, so you do not sink in excessively, but there is enough give around shoulders and hips to avoid pressure points, especially for back sleepers. On a multi-night stretch, it feels noticeably better than an air mattress that gradually deflates, and the foam does a decent job at isolating small movements, so a restless sleeper is not rocking the whole frame. For a guest who is staying 1 or 2 nights, it is absolutely comfortable enough for them to wake up without feeling like they slept on a floor. The frame itself is reasonably sturdy, with a steel build designed to hold an adult without obvious flexing, and it benefits from a lattice-style support rather than a few loose slats. Number 6. DICTAC Folding Bed with Mattress. This is a model that aims for a full adult-sized sleep experience with a generous 90 by 200 centimeter surface and a thick memory foam mattress on top. The first impression is that this is a real bed scale folding option. Taller guests and people who feel cramped on smaller cots will immediately notice the extra length and width. The frame height also brings you up off the floor to a more standard bed level, which feels more natural for older guests or anyone with knee or back issues. Comfort-wise, the DICTAC mattress tends to be one of the stronger points. The mattress thickness of around 13 centimeters, roughly 5 inches, combines supportive foam and a memory foam layer, which helps distribute weight and avoids the feeling of metal bars poking through. For back and combination sleepers, that balance between support and cushioning works well, especially over a few nights. It is the kind of surface guests can actually relax on and not just get through the night. The frame is designed as a solid metal structure with a clear focus on being a proper adult guest bed rather than a lightweight camping cot. The listed dimensions and structure show a stable base with a 43 centimeter height, which translates into a comfortable sitting and sleeping height and also creates useful underbed clearance. Folded, the bed becomes a tall but relatively slim unit with rolling casters, making it possible to slide it against a wall or into a storage area when not in use. 5. INTERGREAT Folding Bed with Mattress. This is a cot-size option that aims to hit the sweet spot between compact storage and genuine adult comfort. The typical configuration offers a sleeping surface around 75 by 31 inches, which fits comfortably into tighter guest rooms or offices without feeling absurdly narrow. It comes with a 5-inch mattress that blends support foam and memory foam, and the overall footprint feels tuned for apartments or multi-purpose rooms where every bit of floor space matters. In testing, the standout feature is how solid the frame feels for such a compact bed. The steel frame is rated to support adult sleepers without creaking or wobbling, and that matches the impression when sitting on the edge or shifting positions during the night. The legs lock into place confidently, and the frame stays stable even if someone gets in and out a few times. That stable base boosts the effectiveness of the foam mattress because you are not losing comfort to flexing or sagging metal. The mattress is on the firmer side, which actually works quite well for many guests. especially back sleepers and anyone who prefers more support. The memory foam layer on top softens the initial feel, while the support foam underneath prevents bottoming out against the frame. Over 1 or 2 nights, that combination feels closer to a medium-firm regular mattress than a typical rollaway cot. Some users may choose to add a thin topper to customize the feel for fussier sleepers, but it is fully usable as is. 4. EconoHome Folding Bed with Mattress. The EconoHome begins to feel like a more premium, purpose-built guest solution rather than a simple temporary fix. This bed offers a 75 by 31-inch cot-size frame paired with a 5-inch thick memory foam mattress, which immediately sets it apart from thinner foam and saggy spring options. The steel wire lattice frame is rated to support up to 300 pounds, giving it a reassuring sturdiness whether someone is sitting on the edge or lying in the center. The comfort of the EconoHome mattress is one of its key selling points. The 5-inch memory foam construction is designed to provide contouring support, hugging the body enough to reduce pressure points at the shoulders, hips, and lower back. For back and side sleepers, that means a noticeably more bed-like feel compared with many rollaway options. Guests wake up feeling like they slept on a decent mattress rather than an emergency sleeping surface, which makes it especially suitable for multi-night stays. The frame design also adds to the overall quality impression. The full steel wire lattice spreads weight evenly, so you do not experience individual slats digging into the mattress over time. That adds to durability and helps the mattress keep its shape for longer. The height creates a comfortable getting in and getting out experience, while also offering usable space underneath for storage when the bed is set up. This combination of thoughtful details makes the EconoHome feel well-engineered for real guest use, not just occasional spare sleeping. 3. Pelnuies Folding Bed with Mattress. This is a model that pushes closer to full bed comfort while retaining practical portability. This bed combines a supportive metal frame with a multi-inch foam mattress that is clearly designed for adult use rather than just kids or occasional naps. From setup, it feels solid and stable, with no obvious wobbling or flex, which is important when you expect guests to use it for several nights. In real-world sleeping, the Pelnuies mattress stands out for its combination of density and cushioning. The layered foam structure includes a supportive base foam and a softer top layer that together reduce the chance of feeling the frame underneath, even for heavier guests. The result is a medium feel that accommodates back, side, and combination sleepers without forcing them into one position. For a folding bed, that versatility is a major step up. The frame uses a slatted or lattice design that distributes weight evenly, helping the mattress maintain its shape and performance over time. The support is strong enough that most adults will feel confident sitting on the edge, which is often a weak point for cheaper rollaway beds. Even when a guest sits and stands repeatedly, the structure does not complain, giving it a more permanent bed feel. Pelnuies also manages storage and mobility well. The bed folds into a compact form that can be tucked into a closet or against a wall, and the included wheels make it easy to roll in and out of storage spaces. 2. KOMFOTT 477-CAHW. This is a rollaway folding bed that blends a sturdy frame, supportive foam, and smart folding design into a very guest-friendly package. This bed usually comes in a twin-style size with a supportive metal frame and a thick mattress engineered for adult use, making it look and feel more like a slim, permanent bed than a temporary fix. The build quality is immediately noticeable when assembling and unfolding it. The joints are tight, and the overall structure feels reassuringly solid. The KOMFOTT mattress focuses on achieving a comfortable balance between support and plushness. With a multi-inch thick foam design, it cushions pressure areas while keeping the spine in a relatively neutral alignment, even for adults who tend to move around at night. For guests who are sensitive sleepers or dealing with mild back issues, this combination can make the difference between just tolerating a night and actually waking up refreshed. Over several nights of use, the foam holds up well without obvious impressions. The frame design helps the mattress perform at its best. A robust metal construction with evenly spaced supports reduces sagging and ensures the mattress is held flat, avoiding the hammock effect some folding beds develop. Weight capacity is comfortably high for typical adult guests, so there is no sense of instability when someone sits down or leans near the edge of the bed. In everyday use, that stability translates into fewer squeaks and creaks, which is a big plus if the bed is near shared walls or in a small apartment. One Giantex GX67474-CAHW. This is a folding bed that consistently feels like it was designed to be a true guest bed first and a compact stowaway piece of furniture second. This twin rollaway features a robust powder-coated steel frame, a dense slatted support system, and a generously thick mattress, typically around 4 to 5 inches, with a substantial memory foam component. From the first time it is set up, it gives the impression of a sturdy, permanent bed that just happens to fold. The mattress is the star of the show here. Giantex pairs soft memory foam with supportive base foam to create a surface that gently contours around the body while still holding the spine in a comfortable, neutral position. Guests who are used to regular mattresses will find the feel familiar and supportive, rather than the camp bed sensation many folding options give. Over multiple nights, the foam continues to provide even support without developing obvious dips or ridges. The frame design is just as impressive. Built from powder-coated steel slats and reinforced supporting legs, the Giantex Rollaway is rated to support up to around 440 pounds, which is significantly higher than many competing folding beds. In practice, that translates into a rock-solid sleeping platform with minimal flex, even for heavier guests or when someone sits on the edge. The slatted structure spreads weight evenly and allows the mattress to breathe, contributing to both comfort and longevity. Final thought? That's all for today, folks.